Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this record that I'm providing very, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off. And there will be a assignment and task I'll be providing for you all to work on this session as well. Okay, and as I have been educating you all, I do not want any of you all to discuss with any of your peers. So that is a very important task you have to follow, and you have God-given brains and God-given hearts, so you have to work on to get the correct answer. That is all. Okay, so let me start with the tasks part, so you just make a note of it, and then I will read through this civil justice. Okay, so the task goes like this. What is Las Vegas Sin City? So you all go work on the correct answer. Please do not discuss with any of your peers, and the answers must be correct. What is Las Vegas Sin City? Who in the earth, so sub question, who in the earth asked for Las Vegas Sin City, and who gave authority for United States of America to build Las Vegas Sin City? Okay, just figure out the correct answers. Okay, now what is the second question? What is 1 minute divorce sign off only available only in Las Vegas in entire planet Earth as of March 2021? What is that? What is the meaning of that? And who in the earth created that 1 minute divorce sign off available only in the Las Vegas Sin City in entire planet Earth? And why United States of American nation have 1 minute divorce sign off only, exclusively only in Las Vegas, Sin City. So figure out the correct answers. Okay. Next, what is pornography? Who in the earth asked for pornography? Who gave authority for United States of America to provide pornography? So you go work on the correct answers. Okay. Then the next question. What is cues words? What are the types of cues words? How many spoken languages uses cues words? And who gave the authority for the London, the Oxford University, to create the cues words on the Oxford Dictionary to be provided in the education curriculum? Got it? So you all work on those answers. Okay. Then, what is sexting? Why sexting? How sexting? And when sexting? So who created sexting? And who created the sexting providers worldwide? What for? Who asked for sexting in the earth? Is it male population asked for sexting? Or is it female population asked for sexting? Who asked for sexting? Who gave authority for the United States of America nation to provide sexting services providers? Who gave that authority? So you go figure out the correct answer. Okay. What is sexual assault? Why sexual assault? How sexual assault? When sexual assault? Okay. Who asked for sexual assault? Did male population ask for sexual assault, or did female population ask for sexual assault? Who gave authority for United States of America nation to create sexual assault in different avatars? Figure out the correct answer. Okay. And then, what is sexual harassment? Who created sexual harassment? Did male population ask for sexual harassment? Or did female population ask for sexual harassment? Who gave authority for United States of America nation to create sexual harassment service providers? What is the taxonomy code that is provided for sexting, sexual assault, and sexual harassment? And what is the job code provided by Department of Workforce Division for sexting service providers, sexual assault service providers, sex harassment service providers? How this $1.9 trillion stimulus package signed by then President Trump in the March of 2020 provided this help? How the $1.9 trillion of stimulus package signed by President Joe Biden in March of 2021 takes care of these? Did it covers all these? How? Why? When? You work on the correct answers. Okay? Then, what is nightclub? What is strip club? What is Disney? What is Hollywood movies, etc.? How, why, when? You work on those correct answers. Who created nightclubs? Who created strip clubs? Who created Disney? Who created Hollywood movies? Who gave the authority for the United States of America nation to create nightclubs? How Department of Health Services signed, the Down Planning Division signed nightclubs facility, strip clubs facility, Disney facility, Hollywood movies facility to be the healthiest ones with free loans, 0% interest. how on the earth Department of Health Services were able to provide those loans, the free loans. Who gave the authority? Who asked for nightclubs? Who asked for strip clubs? Then, what is prostitution? What is male prostitution? Did male population ask for male prostitution? Why? If not, why? If yes, why? If no, why? Did female population ask for prostitution? If yes, why? If no, why? Who asked for prostitution facilities? And why Department of Health Services, the doctors like Dr. Fauci, Dr. Birx signed the prostitution facilities, our healthiest facilities, and provided zero interest, the veterans loan, no payment loans to the prostitution facilities in United States of America. Who gave that authority to the USA? Work on the answer. How many male population asked for prostitution? How many female population asked for prostitution? How many not educated population asked for prostitution? How many educated population asked for prostitution? How and why there is birth control drugs? Why Department of Health Services, Dr. Fauci, Dr. Birx signed birth controls is healthiest, and also signed prostitution facilities also healthiest at the same time? Why? How? When? Who gave the authority? Who gave the authority to Dr. Fauci, Dr. Birx to sign off prostitution facilities healthiest? Who gave that authority? What? Fine. You go figure out the correct answer. What is genome? The genetic engineering, the stem cells. And did you all ask for genome? Did male population have a genome, the genetic engineering that alternates the DNA and the mRNA of human cells? Or did female population ask for genome? Who asked for it? Who created the genome, genetic engineering? Why? What? When for? Work on the correct answer. What is orphan? How orphan? Why orphan? What for orphan is created? When people cannot tolerate wearing the mask even for 1 year, the orphans who are welcomed to the earth as orphans have to live lifelong with the lifetime scars crucified on their forehead. So who created that crucifixion for orphans? Did you all ask for orphans? Did male population ask for orphans, or did female population ask for orphans? Who asked for orphans? Did doctors ask for orphans? Why? How? How did they ask for? Why Department of Health Services signed orphanages is healthiest? Foster care homes is healthiest. Why? What for? If criminal law is healthiest as of today, March 2021, there should never be any orphanages in any nation. So why on the earth there is orphans? What for? What is surrogate pregnancy to do with this orphan part? Did you all ask for surrogate pregnancy? If so, why? If yes, why? If no, why? Answer it correctly. Are women womb sex machine for the male population? If yes, why? If no, why? Are male human machine for women? If yes, why? If no, why? Why on the earth there is surrogate pregnancy? What is the need? What is the scope? What is the objective? Who created it? Who asked for it? who gave the authority to the United States of America and the Department of Health Services, the Dr. Fauci, Dr. Prince, to sign surrogate pregnancies healthiest? Who gave the authority? Who gave the authority to sign the genome, the genetic engineering that alternates the DNA and mRNA cell structure for plant kingdom, for animal kingdom, for the human kingdom? Who gave that authority to United States of America? Who? Did you all give the authority? You are voting, right? You are called as humans only, right? And each and every single election, what the USA says, oh, see, go vote. Voting is so holy. You are all voting. And top of all, you are paying tax, sale tax, federal tax, whatnot tax, isn't it? Who asked for surrogate pregnancy? We humans are paying tax, isn't it? So, who asked for surrogate pregnancy? Is it the tax agency of USA? Who? Go figure out the correct answer. Then, what is extortion? Or what is sextortion? Or what is blackmail? Who created those? Why? When? How? As of March 2021, all these sex industries should never be there, isn't it? Is it the basic essential? If it is basic essentials, what is the scope and objective that can be classified as a basic essential? Is prostitution basic essential for you? Is pornography basic essential for you? Work on the answer. Is sexting basic essential for you? Work on the answer. Is QC basic essential for you? Work on the answer. Who gave the authority? Why there is extortion and sextortion and blackmail when there is a Oxford Law School, Oxford Medical School, Harvard Law School, Harvard Medical School, and 5% of educated population per nation worldwide? Why? Did education population ask for extortion, sextortion, and blackmail, or did not educated population ask for sextortion, extortion, or blackmail? Did male population ask for extortion and sextortion and blackmail, or did female population ask for sextortion, extortion, and blackmail? What for? How many monsters are there living in the human kingdom? Did United States of America have a census on that? As of today, there should be zero, isn't it? There should not be any monsters. There should not be any foolish. There should not be any hell creators. So why USA missed out on the important services called census, the population counters? Why? You go figure out the answer. Why exactly there is criminal law? Go figure out the answer. Why? Who asked for criminal law? Did you all ask for criminal law? If so, why? If yes, why? If no, why? Okay, the last of the question is, what is free sex? Who asked for free sex? Did male population ask for free sex? Or did female population ask for free sex? If yes, why? If no, why? Figure out. I want only correct answers, no wrong answers, and no discussing with your peers. You have to going to break your brains, break your heart, tear it in pieces, and get the correct answer. God has given you all brains, God has given you all hearts, isn't it? Go tear it down and just get the correct answer. What it is. What is free sex? Who asked for free sex? Why there is free sex? Why people love free sex? Why people do not hate free sex? Why? What for? Who gave authority to the United States of America with the First Amendment to say that it's a freedom of speech and the freedom of religion. In the name of freedom of religion, people can have free sex. They don't have to bother. Why? Why that hell was created and who gave that authority to the United States of America? Who? Who? Who gave that authority? Who asked for free sex in the earth? Did you all ask for free sex? Why? Okay, then the last of the question is, what is sperm donor medical clinic and what is ovum donor medical clinic provided by Department of Health Services, the highest educated doctors from the accredited Harvard Medical School clinics and types? Who asked? Who asked for sperm donors and ovum donors to create only bunch of orphans? Who? Is it you all? Why the sperm donor and ovum donor comes under the classification of data breach? Why? How? When? When it is a data breach? When it is a true identity stripped off? When it is the malfunction of alternating your DNAs and mRNAs? How? Why? Who gave that authority to United States of America nation? Who asked for it? Did you all ask for sperm donors? Did you all ask for ovum donors? Why? Why did you all ask if you all asked for? Why? What is the need? Were you all exploited because of your poverty? By the Department of Health Services called as doctors like Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks exploited you all? Why? If yes, why? If no, why? When? How? Who created this crap in the earth? And the year is 2021. Why all these never fix? Why? You all go figure out the answer, and that is the homework assignment for the day for you all. It's the easiest assignment, isn't it? Very easiest assignment. So with that said, that itself took 20 minutes. I was just only assigning the assignment, homework assignment. That took 20 minutes. The remaining part, I will just read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. And yes, with these questions, you can also even work on what is premarital sex? Who asked for premarital sex? Did male population ask for premarital sex or did female population ask for premarital sex? Who gave authority for the United States of America to sign off premarital sex as healthiest? Who gave the authority for the doctors, Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, to sign off premarital sex as healthiest? Who asked for it? There are only humans in human kingdom, isn't it? Go double check that. I'm sure, pretty much sure there are only humans in human kingdom. So who in the human kingdom asked for premarital sex? That is what we are going to nail down on the root cause, right? Okay, then one more question I forgot, so that's why I have to pop it in. What is extramarital free sex? Or what is free sex out of wedlock? Who asked for it? Who asked for extramarital free sex and who asked for extramarital free sex? Or what? Who asked for it? Did male population ask for extramarital free sex? Or did female population ask for free sex? Or Department of Health Services ask for extramarital free sex? Or did Hollywood entertainment world ask for extramarital free sex? Who asked for it? Is it theologians? The fancy ones, they are also called as Republica, jump from heaven mode, yeah. Did they ask for extramarital free sex or the premarital free sex? The free sex comes under that umbrella, isn't it? So you all keep working on those answers. It's the simplest task and assignment I provided. That is the education part of it. Now, let me read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page and you all know why I am asking for $1,500,000 trillion to be direct deposited to my bank account, because I never asked any of these kind of crap. I don't know about my peers. So, with that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice sign-off so that we all can be on the same page, and it's a multitasking. With this homework assignment, what did I do? Vices aware, I provided heart surgery, open bypass heart surgery, I provided open bypass brain surgery, I provided open bypass eye surgery, I provided open bypass nerve surgery for entire male population and entire female population, same time, fastest than a robo. You all keep working on who am I. Okay, so with that said, I'll quickly read through the civil justice sign-off. At fault found guilty Republican government and USA Democrat government of USA and absolute monarchs, antichrists, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created sex industry worldwide. Antichrist Pope Francis created Las Vegas Sin City is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created 1 minute divorce sign-off only in Las Vegas in entire planet Earth as of March 2021 is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created pornography is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created Q words in Oxford Dictionary is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created sexting, sexual assault and sexual harassment is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created nightclubs, strip clubs, Disney, Hollywood movies, etc. is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created prostitution is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created genome and orphans and surrogate pregnancy is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created extortion and sextortion and blackmail is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created flirting and subtypes is proved by Priya Pro Se. Antichrist Pope Francis created free sex, sperm donor and ovum donor, Department of Health Services clinics and types is proved by Priya Pro Se. I think I forgot to ask you this, provide this homework assignment on what is flirting. Okay, go work on that answer as well. Did male population ask for flirting or did female population ask for flirting, or why on the earth there is flirting? What is the scope and what is the objective behind it? Who created it? Who gave the authority? And it's Pope Francis who created it. Okay? So for Priya Pro Se proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is the Roman Empire King Hero as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Priya Pro Se, Native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. Scandal phases of Republican Europe nations worldwide. Republica at fault found guilty prostitutes of Europe, USA tax fraud, March 2021 is proved. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence. Las Vegas Sin City provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by Priya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Priya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Priya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP Mitch McConnell provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden 2020 to 2024 provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Roman Province Jesuits, organizations of state of Wisconsin, state of Michigan, state of Illinois, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon provided tax fraud. His crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. Note: Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Las Vegas Sin City created robocall poverty mandate, enforced poverty disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se on October 2018 is proved for prostitute Republican government of USA to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job of USA on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil law must be provided now without delay. As of February 2021 and beyond, civil justice sign-off to be served to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Las Vegas Sin City, created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. You all got it by Walmart through acid on me, isn't it? I was only providing wisdom education, my dear fellow mankind. And Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. Abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of quarterly 1 of 2021, that is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021 to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, and enforced finance disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly. It is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, and Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Las Vegas Sin City created robocall poverty mandate is proved. And for civil justices, I. Vedapriya Pro Se want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus and sign off tax-free $5,000, and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, Las Vegas Sin City, created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $15,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all the types damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty. Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis created the Las Vegas Sin City. And Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So this session went 31 minutes. It's not too long. Right? The 20 minutes went for me assigning the homework. You all go work on it. When people love to use all the robots, the science and technology, why on the earth the human kingdom is alone, is lagging behind the robots? Why? What is the reason? What went wrong in humanity? Who destroyed the humanity? You all work on those answers, get the correct answers, and that I will get $1,500,000 trillion for the medical compensation. I never asked for Las Vegas Sin City. If USA is providing Las Vegas Sin City, USA must pay $15,000 trillion daily to each civilian worldwide forever. So that itself says that entire tax agency services is wrong, right? That needs to be sealed and shut down immediately, abruptly, now, this moment, next 1 second. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, all these craps was created for tax revenue. What would you all have done? What would you all have done? This Las Vegas Sin City comes under the retail's classification, isn't it? When people have to go to the prostitution facility, they have to swipe the card. When they have to go to the strip clubs, they have to swipe the card. Isn't it? What is the tax code provided for those? Nothing. Department of Workforce Division must be sealed now because they forgot to provide job codes and salary for that, isn't it? Like there is a job code for sexting providers and the salary is this. There's a job code for prostitution facility service providers. So salary is this. They never provided that. Why? Pope Francis must save himself. Otherwise, everybody will ask Pope Francis only, why, dear Pope Francis, you are also called as the God of USA. Oh, how that sounds good. Dear God of USA, Pope Francis, why did you create all these kind of crap in the United States of America, and why on the earth destroyed humanity? Pope Francis will be fried in ashes, that's all. With my civil justice of $15,000 trillion, I fried Queen Elizabeth II in ashes today, and I fried Pope Francis in ashes today, and I fried all the Islam leaders, Dalai Lama, yoga gurus, all the prostitutes, the male prostitutes, the male ones. All along I've been displaying only why and how President Trump is innocent and President Joe Biden is not. Why nobody knew Las Vegas, the United States of America should not have Las Vegas. Why nobody knew. Why not even one educated man knew. Why not even one educated woman knew. Why Elizabeth Warren never knew that should never be any tax Las Vegas since the day. Why Kamala Harris or the Vice President Kamala Harris and the Senate state of Minnesota, what's her name, Amy, why? Why they never even banned, they never knew that there should never be any Las Vegas. Why? What went wrong? What went wrong in a healthy human brain operation process to sign Las Vegas Sin City as healthiest? Why people were not able to stand in front of the doctors and slap on the face of doctors and say, Department of Health Services, Department of Health Services, you are also God. Department of Health Services, Department of Health Services, you all went to accredited medical school and learned human anatomy for at least 10 years. Oh, you are all God. Why, doctors? Why? Why you provided Las Vegas as the healthiest facility in the earth? Why? What when? How? We can ask. It's our birthright, isn't it? But why nobody dared to stand up and ask? Now you all got it. Now we all got it. Why I filed lawsuit against Department of Health Services for $500 billion, and they used Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks as a tool to create this COVID-19 scam altogether for a plague that's not even existing. Don't you all think $1,500,000 trillion is the cheapest medical compensation I can get for? Nobody will dare to ask USA. Nobody has the eligibility to ask, right? So this is pretty much it about this particular session. It is this all this sex industry, you can name it, birth control drugs to genomes to genetic engineering to whatnot, all created for tax fraud. Even for aborting, people have to pay sales tax, federal tax. You're laughing, isn't it? I know. Even for disease, for getting disease also we have to pay tax. Even for aborting or going to the hospital also we have to pay tax. It will be tax once, tax twice, tax thrice, means we are only paying only tax after tax. Versus Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II are getting dollars in so many times. So you all go keep working on why there is abortion. In true Christianity alone, there is never abortion. So when there is no abortion, why there is abortion? It is a live proof that I already said, isn't it? These Babylonians, the Islam, Judaism, Zionism, they are deadliest cunning blood cells level. They destroyed whatever in true Christianity. They want to mock God. That's how they get the pleasure out of it. When they say there is no God, they get happiest, sadistic happiest. So now you all got it. Why they even have to market and say that Holy Bible is wrong when it's not. Yes, there's intoxications in that, but I will reveal all of that crime more. You all need to have puke after puke after puke, spit on the face of the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. Let them be gone in ashes. Let them be gone in ashes. Just for I educated wisdom, they all threw acid on me. What would you all have done? Today I proved it, isn't it? Nobody knew how and why and who on the earth created Las Vegas. Nobody knew. Las Vegas comes under the state of California. So if you look into that, there is a Roman province Jesuit organization right on the nose of the government of California. Right? So for everything there is a proof. These people, these are foolish people they thought that they can get away and live free. That's why they even created criminal law. But these fools, they never know that civil justice always wins. Always, all the time. All the time. All the time. If you see all the assignments I provided, it's all related to the sexual, human, genetical organ operations only. If a Senate wants to take down a president, they will say sexual harassment. If the people want to provide any kind of a crucifixion, they use these only. So nobody knew why it is there at the first place. It should not be even there, right? For Senate or Congress or GOP to even to address it at the first place. Why nobody knew that? So that is why entire Senate, entire GOP, entire Congress, entire House of Representatives fear me, because they already lost their jobs in me. I finished their jobs. I already said, isn't it? What would you all have done? What would you all have done? Okay, this is 40 minutes. I do not want to go beyond. So thank you for your time. Take care. Bye for now.